Is your bank account actually stealing from you? Hey everyone! Let's talk about money. No, seriously, finances can be a total drag. Between keeping track of bills, budgeting, and those sneaky bank fees, it feels like they're constantly nickel and diming us. But what if there was a better way? A way to ditch the fees and actually make your money work for you? That's where KOHO comes in, claiming to be a completely free banking option. But is KOHO really free? And is it too good to be true? Let's dive in and find out. First things first, KOHO isn't a bank, but a financial app with a prepaid MasterCard. Think of it like a debit card you load up with your own money. The big selling point? No monthly fees. No hidden charges. Sounds pretty sweet, right? They even offer some features you might be used to paying for, like free Interac e-transfers. So far, so good. But here's the thing, nothing in finance is truly free. Banks make money on fees, sure, but also on interest. They take your deposits, pull them together, then lend that money out at a higher rate. The difference? Profit for the bank. KOHO does things differently. They offer interest on your account balance, which is great, but it's a lower rate than you might find at a traditional bank. So, there's a bit of a trade-off. KOHO also has a few premium account options with higher cashback rewards and interest rates. These come with a monthly fee, though. So, KOHO isn't entirely free, but their basic account offers a solid alternative to traditional banking, especially if you're tired of fees eating away at your hard-earned cash. Here's where things get interesting. KOHO actually gamifies your finances a bit. The app tracks your spending habits and helps you set goals. There are even features that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically stash that away in savings. It's a great way to painlessly sock some money away for a rainy day. But KOHO isn't perfect. Since it's a prepaid card, you can only spend the money you've loaded onto it. This might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you write a lot of checks or make frequent international transactions. There are also daily withdrawal limits, which could be a concern for some users. KOHO also relies heavily on its mobile app. There are no physical branches, so everything is done online. While this is convenient for many, it might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who prefer face-to-face banking interactions. So, is KOHO right for you? Well, that depends. If you're looking for a no-frills, fee-free way to manage your everyday banking, KOHO is definitely worth considering. The budgeting tools and automatic savings features are a nice bonus. However, if you need a traditional checking account with features like check writing or international transactions, KOHO might not be the best fit. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and preferences. KOHO offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making the switch. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.